Hello dear children. Today we are going to learn the sound Z. This is the letter Z and its sound is Z. Let's say the sound Z 10 times. Z, 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 Z. Yay! We have learnt the sound Z. Now let's say some words that starts with Z. So the first one is zebra, zebra. And the second one is zero, zero. Third one is zip, zip. Fourth one is zigzag, zigzag. You can say after me. Fifth word is zoo, zoo. Wow, the zoo is looking nice. Sixth word is zoom, zoom. Okay, now let's add z to the words. Like here we have ebra, ebra. But when we add z to it, it becomes zebra. Yes, it's a zebra. Next we have arrow, arrow. But when we add z to it, it becomes zero. Yes, it's a zero. Next is ooh, ooh. And when we add z to it, it becomes zoo. Yes, zoo, a place where you can go and see so many animals and birds. Next is ip, ip. And when we add z to it, it becomes zip, zip. And you can find the zip in clothes, in bags, right? Okay, now it's clap time. So what is clap time? You know it? What we have to do, we have to clap each word as you read according to this number of sounds coming in the word. So let's start. Okay, so here we have the word zebra. Can you listen? There are how many sounds? Zebra. So we will clap 2 times. Zebra, zebra. Next is zero. There are 2 sounds in the word zero. So we will clap 2 times. Next is zoo. Only 1 sound is there, so we will clap only 1 time. Zoo. Next is zip. Again, we have only 1 sound coming out of it, so we will clap 1 time. Zip. Okay. Next is zigzag. 2 sounds, 2 times clap. Zigzag. And the next one is zoom. Only 1 sound, so 1 clap. Zoom, zoom. Wow, that's great. Okay, kids, now you can Try drawing these two pictures. One is of the zebra and one is of zero. And while making and coloring these pictures, you can practice saying z sound like z zebra and z zero. Yay! I hope you have learned the sound z today, and we will meet again with another fun letter. Thank you. Bye bye.